Hey, it's Ashley here, and welcome to another episode in my home Reno series. So today's episode is all about getting the house more move-in ready than ever. So there will be painting trim, prepping walls, getting the walls actually painted, and then also us putting down some new flooring. So let's go ahead and start this episode.
So I'm back. I just finished getting my hair done. Look, I got braids and they're long, honey. Okay, anyways, so let's see what they've done. So this is the kitchen. Ugh, this is not focusing. Okay, so looks like they have done the trim a little bit. So the trim over here, they need to do some more coats, but the trim on this window, which honestly, y'all, these really don't matter because these windows are getting replaced. But in the meantime, that looks so good already. They've done these. Okay, look, hold on, y'all. Okay, there we go. I don't know what's going on. Okay, anyways, they did that trim. They've been doing this trim here, the trim on this wall, this door. They have done the ceiling. So they've painted the ceiling. So it looks like they might be, and they've been caulking like the baseboards, and I guess just prepping all of the walls. Well, the stuff that I didn't prep, so like caulking the trim, the baseboards, and all that stuff. In here, they've done the ceilings. Now yesterday when I came, okay, so the beam up here is they're gonna sand that. Thank goodness, because I did not want to get up there. Okay, and then the sides too are going to be done. So I already started over here, and then they're gonna finish it for me. So going all the way up there. The built-ins are not done, but they have painted them all along the bottom here. They also patched up areas on the walls that needed to be patched up and textured it to match the walls. So like here, there was a big hole, if y'all remember. Yeah, so they've basically been priming the framing and everything in here and every other place that had the wood and all that stuff. And then they're gonna put the paint on there. So yeah, maybe tomorrow we'll see some more stuff of what they done, but they definitely need another coat on here, because as you can see, there's like some imperfections. You probably can't see it on here, but there's imperfections, and it's just a light coat because I can see the mud, joint compound, whatever that was on the walls. So this is definitely gonna need like some more coats. So yeah, they haven't even come in here yet. So more than likely, they are not gonna be finished with this until we get back from Jamaica. Probably won't even be finished then. But anyways, so yes, they're gonna be doing all that. Painting. This takes a lot of stress off my shoulders because we are going to Jamaica. Oops. So yeah, this takes a lot of stress off because, as I said, we're gonna be going to Jamaica. And honestly, this would not have gotten done before we went. So it's nice for them to be able to be doing this while we're in Jamaica. So when we come back, all we have to do is like really put the flooring down. So yes. So we'll see what they will have accomplished tomorrow. But today, from what I saw yesterday, they just did like some more of the trim and then the ceiling up here. So yeah, So now I'm about to go pick up Riley, and then we'll be back tomorrow to see what they do.
So this is the footage from when we got back from Jamaica. So they had painted some of the rooms. They were still getting some of the other rooms painted with the priming and all that stuff. But when we came back, it literally looked drastically better. Honestly, guys, they saved the kitchen for last, but this is the stuff. This is what the kitchen looked like when we came back. So they had to put the light down and all of that stuff like that. They finally painted the bookends, which the bookends were painted a different color than the Whispering White. And yeah, so it looked really good though when we came back, because it was like, we literally would not have been able to get this accomplished before we had to go to Jamaica. So it really took a lot of stress off my hands. So when we did get back, we did start on the carpets that were on the stairs. So I wanted to remove those because I want the stairs to look different. I didn't want carpet on there. I am honestly wearing the same outfit I wore the day before Jamaica. So this is so funny, because when I was trying to put this footage together, I'm like, why am I wearing the same clothes? But anyways, we started to take the carpet off, and like we did before, he would remove the carpet and then I would come back and then I would take all the staples and stuff off. And we just worked as a team, and I took the vacuum and I started to vacuum everything. So yeah, so we're just getting things done this day, and then after this we started on the floors.
Alright, so I'm coming up here and I'm still working in this room. And, so they painted the hallway a little bit, and up here, and then we have the bathroom. That is still getting done. Then the girls' room. In here, they started to add the joint compound in here. So, smoothing out the walls. And then in here, they have done this room too, painted it. But the ceilings is still doing the ceilings. And then you come in here, and they've painted like these walls and stuff. They kind of started on the walls in here. And then here is the bathroom, which they're still working in here. They've taken the mirrors down over here, and they took that mirror down. And then in here, we haven't really started on anything. We're definitely getting a new toilet, because that toilet is ugh. So yeah, this is what it's looking like in here.
Okay, so as you can see, we started to put our flooring down in one of the front rooms. So we were super excited about this because we got this done. This was our first time putting down flooring, and this flooring was fairly easy to put down. I mean, some pieces we had trouble with, but it was DIY friendly. So we got the front room done. Super excited about that. And so honestly, that's all for this episode. The next episode is definitely going to be us doing the girls' room upstairs and then showing you guys like everything final, like with the paint and stuff done in the kitchen and everything like that. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, as always, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not seen the playlist, I have the playlist here from episode 1 till now. We are on episode 12. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me through this whole process. And I will see you in my next one.